Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's SLP video update. And I actually talked about Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has actually made the same pattern that it actually did on the daily time frame. So the pattern that actually formed here, the candlestick that you see, this middle one, the red one right here, is known as a hanging man, and the hanging man are actually not very good. They're actually bearish. So let me show you hanging man candlestick, just like that. And this is going to be somewhere, something like this. Okay. Yep, the hanging man candlestick pattern, short wick, no wick, and a long shadow to the downside. Okay, so you do have a very small wick. The upper wick is really small, but the lower wick is really big, and you have a very small tiny body. Now if you actually do come above 0.00423 and break the highest part of the hanging man and try to hold it like a boss, then you could actually try to move up a little bit. And how high are you gonna go if that happens? Well, that's gonna be up to this 10 EMA. Then there could be possibilities of going up to the 10, get rejected at the 10 potentially, and go down. Now my take is that Bitcoin had made a bear flag, and to me it seems like SLP as well has made a flag here. It's trying to make a flag because by the end of the day, that's a very clear three black cross, and you're looking to continue to the downside. Now let's say if this is your bear flag right here, then SLP is looking to go to the next technical target. So let's talk about the next technical target, which is actually gonna be from the top here to the bottom right there, and this is where you're breaking out of SLP right now. So that's going to take you all the way down to 0.00312. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on SLP. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.